Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. And yes, this is my morning hair. So when I wake up in the morning, every morning, I kind of look like this. And what I have done is when I wash my hair probably about 7 or 8 o'clock at night. And then I put my hair up in these little clips. And I don't really curl my hair with the clips. I just like kind of grab the clip and pull my hair up so that when I wake up the next morning, I have some height and volume on the top of my head without having any real curl. You know, this is kind of how I look in the morning, pretty scary, scare my neighbors. I use 2 different curling irons on my hair. I use this one, which I showed you recently from Amazon, which I love. And I also sometimes use a little bit of a smaller one from Hot Tools. This is a 1/2 inch one, and I believe the other one is a 1 inch barrel. I'm going to show you kind of how I use both of those and a little bit of Velcro rollers to do my hair every morning. This may be boring for some people, but this may be something for some people just to kind of watch and pass the time as they're doing their makeup. So this is how I do my hair with 2 of my curling wands, or they're not really curling wands. I don't know if are they called a curling wand if they have this clip. I don't think so. Curling iron, I guess. Yeah, that's it. All right, so what I do first is I take the large 1 inch one and I just basically go over kind of all the kinks in my hair. As you can see, I have a lot of kinks in top, and I do just a quick little roll and then I just release it, but really don't really do much with it. I just kind of let it sit there and cool down. And I have this on a fairly lower setting of heat. It goes from 1 to 30, and I have it on 5. And that's pretty much all I use. And I do use a heat protectant the night before on my hair. So all I do is I'm winding this all around my hair, and I'm going to do this all around the back and a little bit on the sides, and I'm going to speed it up because you don't want to see this thing in slow motion. So let me do that right now. And then for the sides, I just kind of roll my hair away from my face in the back like this. Just to get some of that wave pattern out that occurred when I slept on my hair last night. Okay, and then my bangs, I'm just gonna get that kink out a little bit, kind of roll those under and a little bit away from my face. Okay, that's about it for that. And then for this one, I think I may roll this away. Sometimes I roll the pieces away and right next to my face, but then sometimes I roll them towards my face. It just depends on my kind of my mood, really. There, just like that. And you can see how pretty that made it. It took all that kinkiness out of my hair and really made it very silky. That's what I love about this wider curling iron. Just really pretty. And I'm gonna do that really quickly to this side. I like my bangs longer, so I am just going to iron them a little bit to get all the little kink out from sleeping, and then do a roll. All right, and I think with this piece, I'm actually gonna roll this piece. I think I like this piece actually roll towards my face on this side, so that is what I'm going to do here. And then I'm gonna take the bottom piece too and do the same thing. Like that, and then I think I see a straight piece right here. And this iron is fabulous. It just makes my hair look so silky. Almost like my hair kind of woke up like this. All right, so now I have just this kind of one piece in front here. And I'm gonna get the kink out of that. And you have to be cautious with these irons, gosh. I don't know how many times I've burned my forehead with curling irons doing my bangs. Such a pain. There we go. Kind of get a little bump like that. Okay, that's how I do that. And then I take Velcro rollers because I still have a little bit of right here. I want to get that little kink right there out. if you've seen my one short, the next thing I do now is I like some height on the top of my hair and volume. So I get some very narrow, I don't know if they're the smallest or the next to the smallest size diameter Velcro roller, but let me grab them. You know, there may be something narrower than that. I think there may be one narrower than that. And then I get my big sexy hair, and this is called Push Up Volume Spray. I love this. And I just start from kind of the back and just start rolling this and just spraying the root. And I do that all on top of the crown of my head so I can get some nice volume. And what I normally do with my bangs is, if you have bangs, I normally have these bangs come forward. I roll them down if you have a side swept bang. And I grab this very front piece. That, I'm gonna spray it under here like that. And then I'm gonna get this piece here, and I'm gonna do this one kind of under and maybe just a little back like that. And I think I'm gonna use 2 more rollers. I bought a pack of these small Velcro rollers from Amazon, and I love them. They're just what I wanted, because my hair's not long enough on top to use, you know, a giant barrel roller. And the small ones, because I don't leave my hair up that long, the small ones are perfect for what I'm looking for. So that's it. And then I kind of let this just sit for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, so it's just been about 10 minutes, but I have to get going. I have an eye doctor's appointment, so I'm going to take these out a little bit earlier than I normally do. So I'm just going to gently unroll these. If I would leave them in longer, I would get a lot more volume, but you can see kind of the volume they give me on the top of my hair. Roll this out and this out. Gently, I do not brush my hair at this point anymore. I just finger pick it, or I'm gonna get all the curl out of it. I do that, just like that. And if I see anything that needs, you know, any more work on it, like this little kink right here, I don't like, so I'm gonna get my small curling iron, which is, I think, just a 1/2 inch diameter. I heat them both up at the same time, and then I'm just gonna kind of get that little bit of that hump out of there bothering me, and just curl the tip a touch so my bangs aren't in my eyes. And this one, there we go, there we go. And I sort of wear my bangs kind of like this, because my hair on top, as I've talked about so many times, has started to recede. And I do use a lot of stuff to help the recession, which has helped, you know, it has helped, but I've come to the conclusion that anything you put on your hair to help recession is basically just going to give you baby fine little hairs. That's it. You are never going to get massive, thick growth from using any of those minoxidil, whatever, none of them. It's just not going to happen. It's just not the way my hair even normally was when I was younger. So it's not going to be that way now. So I'm just trying to get my bangs kind of out of my face a little bit. I'm going to just curl this one just a touch, because they really irritate me if they are like right in my face. And get this piece right here, curl a little bit. And then I take some type of bonding oil to get rid of all the flyaways and kind of just tame the hair I want it to be. And I think the only other thing I may do is I may just flip this up just a touch. Get just a little bit more curl right by my face. There we go. And this up, being very cautious, because this is hot, hot, hot. There we go, just like that. And then I'm gonna get my favorite bonding oil, and I am going to put that all over my hair to kind of get some of the fuzzies out. So I'm gonna grab that and I'll be right back. I have tried tons and tons of oils in my life, and I would have to say my favorite so far has been this one. This is the Curlsmith Strength Recipe Bonding Oil. I love this. You can see how much of this I've already used up, and I will repurchase this. I use about 2 pumps of this in my hand, and then I rub it, and then I just squeeze my hair with it. And besides taking out some of the frizz, it definitely helps with my volume. And then it helps just define kind of my bangs a little bit like that. And then my final thing I do is just spray my hair. My favorite hairspray, let me grab it. My favorite hairspray is this one. It's one from Kevin Murphy, my hairstylist in Boulder. Turned me on to this and I love it. There we go. And that is kind of all I do with my hair. Hope you enjoyed this old-fashioned dime video of how I do my hair. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.